I want to share with you today a poem that inspires our life profoundly at this time. It's a poem by Rumi, which I've had in the library in a wonderful book. The book is called The Illuminated Rumi, Translations and Commentary by Coleman Barks, Illuminations by Michael Green. Beautiful, beautiful book. One of the poems which I will read to you is the one that lights up our path at this time. It's called The Guest House. This being human is a guest house. Every morning, a new arrival, a joy, a depression, a meanness. Some momentary awareness comes as an unexpected visitor. Welcome and attend them all. Even if they're a crowd of sorrows who violently sweep your house empty of its furniture, still, treat each guest honorably. He may be clearing you out for some new delight. The dark thought, the shame, the malice, meet them at the door laughing and invite them in. Be grateful for whoever comes, because each has been sent as a guide from beyond. I love Rumi's idea of a guest house, that we in our life become open, welcoming, deeply inviting of everything that we encounter. Yumi and I have called these visitors that Rumi calls the guests, we've called them neighborhoods in our world, that generative metaphor of the neighborhood of joy, the neighborhood of sadness, the neighborhood of despair, the neighborhood of confusion, the neighborhood of helplessness. To welcome not only the neighborhoods in our own world, but as we cross the bridge to our partner, to welcome and be fully open to it existing in their world. The shame, the malice, the dark thoughts, all of it part of our world. To be welcomed, as Rumi says, with laughter, with delight, knowing that they make room for a greater fullness of vitality and aliveness in connection.